Mandela United. Today is Monday, October 4th. My name is Falak, and this is United News. Effective immediately. Attendance at football games is limited to family members of players only. There will be a PD day on Friday, October 8th, and 11th is a holiday. The final cross-country track meet is on October 6th. U of C will be back for an info session on November 9th and 12th. There is an open house at SAit on October 27th. There will also be a virtual out-of-province most secondary fair on October 13th, 17th, and 21st. Thank you and have a great day.